Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 2D area chart in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data, date column, unit price and amount. To create 2D area chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Then go to the insert tab in charts group, click on the line charts option. So I just click on this, and here you can see the second last option, 2D area chart. There are three types of the 2D charts is available. You just keep cursor and you can check the preview of this chart. So I just click on the first one, and here you can see your 2D area chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Okay. If you want to increase the size of this chart, you just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of this chart easily. Okay. And if you want to change the chart style, go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow and you can just keep cursor on the chart style, and you can check the preview of the chart style here and select it those you want. So I select this one, and here you see your chart style is changed. Okay, if you want to remove this chart title, just go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the first option, add charts elements, and then click on the chart titles, then click on the none, and here you can see the chart title is removed. Okay, if you want to move these charts in another sheet, I just add here another sheet. Just click on the plus sign and add here the one more sheets, and here to move these charts, simply select these charts and go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move charts option. Here you can see one small dialog box is open. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. Then click on the second option, object in sheet number 1. Here I want in sheet number 3. So select the sheet number 3 and click on OK. And here you can see your chart is moved in sheet number 3. Okay. If you want to change the chart type, so you can easily change it. Again, go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. And here you can see the one dialog box open, change chart type. You can select any chart here and you can change quickly. Here I select the area chart only. So here in first is selected chart, I am going to select the second one and see the preview. After that, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see the change. You can easily change the chart type also. Okay. If you want to change the chart layout, simply click on the charts and go to the chart design tab. And here you can see the in chart layout group have a second option, quick layout. Just click on this drop down arrow, and here you can see the different layout is available. Just keep cursor on it and see the preview of the layout, and just click on it to apply the layout. That's it. So this is a way you can change layout quickly. With this, you can use the format tab also to formatting the word, art style, shape style. So I just click on this arrow and just keep cursor on it. See the changes on word art style, and I again select it. I select this one. I see the changes. The word art style also change. You can use the another option to format your chart. So this is a way you can create the 2D area chart in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.